This is a demo of a full sensitive resistor there with two DC motors. The DC motors have been taken out of the servos. Obviously I've taken the circuit board out of this one so I can just run the DC motor itself, and that is a motor out of a servo, just to show you what I'm running. They both work from this. It's powered by the 7.2 volt battery going into the motor driver and then coming out into the Arduino pin, and the grounds are obviously all connected. And I've done this because I couldn't find anything to demonstrate how I was going to do this. So what happens is, as you press the full sensitive resistor gently, you'll see the two motors. I know it's hard to see the other motor, but it is running. They both run there. When you press harder, they change direction and then stop. So gently, both the motors run. Press harder, and both run backwards, or the opposite direction. Alright, I'll try and, I'll post the code as well, so hopefully this will help someone that's trying to do something like I'm doing. You can change it, it's not a problem. Change the code, it's, you know, it's relatively easy once you've got a little know-how, and I don't know a lot, and that's why I'm posting this, just to see if I can help someone doing the same thing. I want to get the motors to run differently to what I'm doing now, but I posted this one before I changed the code. Alright, take care.